What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can stop your WhatsApp from auto downloading your photos and videos to your gallery. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first is go to on your WhatsApp. After going to on your WhatsApp, you need to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. Then what you need to do is find the settings option like that. After clicking on the settings, you need to go to scroll down and you need to go to on storage and data. Please make sure to watch the full video and follow every step I'm showing you. To do so, find your to stopping auto download to your gallery photos and videos. What you need to do next is click on the storage and data. After doing so, you can find the three options. That last option, media auto download. We need to stop all those options to stopping WhatsApp auto download all the photos and videos to our gallery. So what you need to do next, you to click on this. After clicking on this, you need to uncheck all the options like that. You have to click on hit okay, then you have to click on next. So you have to do the same like that, uncheck all the options, then you have to click on ok. After that you have to click on the last option, then you have to do the same like that. You have to uncheck all the options right here. Then what you need to do is click on ok. After doing that, WhatsApp will not auto download all the pictures and videos to your gallery. So this is how you can stop WhatsApp to auto download all the photos and videos to your gallery. I hope you like this video. You find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe this channel. Peace.